Hi everyone, it's your girl. I'm back. I was gone for a minute, but I'm back now. And I got another Grove box. And I always have my little drink. So let's get this party started. This is my box. Yeah. Let's see how this works out because I always have issues. But opening packages. Not the best angle, right? Not the best angle. All right. The slip of all of the things that I got. So let's, everything. All right, let's see what's here. So I already did a video about an unboxing from Grove, and when you use a special promotional code, and you're a first-time user of Grove.co, a lot of times they give you this offer, a promotion with a bunch of free items when you spend like $20. And they're interesting because they send, I get their emails and they send a lot of different promotions. So sometimes the minimum is $20. Other times I've seen you have to spend $49 to get certain items for free. So what I did, I got all these emails and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And I have a Caddy already, but they have more colors now, more variety. And they have this, I think it's a mattified gray Caddy. And then I noticed on some of their emails, they have herbs and plants growing out of it. People use them as flower pots. And that's such a smart idea. Because I like to grow herbs in my apartment because I have a lot of natural sunlight, as you guys can see. So yeah. So I'm extra. So what I'm going to do is let you guys know the items I got for free versus the items that I paid for to meet that minimum requirements. And also I got 5 free items with my order. And then when I clicked through the offer, it added on an additional free item. And the additional free item was a glass spray bottle with a silicone sleeve and a glass cleaning concentrated tube, like a solution. And yeah, I already have a dish or a hand soap dispenser that's glass, and I love it because instead of buying all this plastic, I buy the big tub or the big kind of thing of the soap, and I just refill it. So it's nice. I don't have to consistently buy all this plastic and stuff. So let's get it started. So I can let you guys know what I got for free and all that good stuff. So of course, the Caddy. It's so cute. It's mattified. And this is I'm so happy I got the orange and rosemary glass cleaner because when you one of the promotions that I got, which is the glass spray bottle, and they have 2 scents. They have orange, rosemary, and I don't know, lavender, thyme, or some other scent that I don't like. I don't like lavender, and I was like, oh my god, I hope that the scent they send is this one, and it just so happens to be the orange and rosemary one. Yes. All right, let me see what this glass spray bottle looks like, and I think the color is Seafoam. That was the only option I had, but there was an add-on free item. Oh, it's so cute. I like it. Yeah, I like this. It's huge. It's a nice size. Such a cute bottle. All right, so I got that. I got the glass cleaner with it. These 2 items were free. This was an additional free item with the promotion that I already had for the 5 items. All right, so I did the Caddy. And what I also got was the tub and tile cleaner, because I need to just be better at cleaning my bathtub. And yeah, I got this in rosemary, orange and rosemary also. This wasn't free. I actually paid for this item. Another item that I got that I like from them is just chlorine free Pantyliners, because you always gonna need that. I got these 2 walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges for free with my order. I got it in the last one as well, but you can never have too many sponges. You can't have too many sponges. Yeah, I'm just putting it in my caddy. Also, what I got, this is another item that I paid for. It's a veggie brush, and it's made of bamboo. It's really nice. Yeah, and I always feel really awkward and weird when I'm eating like certain vegetables that, you know, you can't peel off the skin and you're eating it as is. And I just don't know how people handle the veggies in the supermarket. If it drops on the floor, it's going in plastic. So I always like to really like scrub my fruits and veggies. So I got this scrubbing veggie brush. I don't know. The bristles are very hard. Like I kind of assumed it would have been softer bristles, because some vegetables like zucchini and stuff, they have a very thin skin. I don't know. I feel like, damn, I got pieces falling out. Okay. I don't know. I might have to complain to Grove about this. I don't know what vegetables you're scrubbing. The only thing I could probably scrub with this is maybe like potatoes, because potatoes have a fairly like resilient skin, and you really need to clean potatoes before you cook with them or roast them or whatever. So yeah, I'm actually a bit surprised that the bristles are so hard. I don't know. Okay, so it cleans all produce from apples to zucchini. I just mentioned zucchini. I didn't even read that. I don't know, even though it seems kind of hard. Bamboo handle lets you clean with ease. Recycled and natural bristles are tough but gentle. Let's see how gentle you are, because I don't know. Also, something else that I paid for is the cleaning vinegar item. Because, I mean, vinegar is like, it's something you can use as a natural cleaner, but, you know, no, I don't like the smell of vinegar. Like, no, ew. But I got it in sweet mandarin, and I think some of the reviews, what they said is like, it still has a vinegar scent, but people feel like it cleans really well and it disinfects, which is really important to me when I clean, not just to like mask and like wipe off the top layer, but to actually feel like my apartment and like my appliances are clean and disinfected. I don't want to get sick, so I'm really excited to try it. I have the Aunt Fannie's vinegar like floor cleaner, and I really like that. So I don't know. I'll see how this one works out. And my caddy. All right, and some more free items that I got with the promotion. So I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap, and I got this in Honeysuckle. I don't know, it took me so long to decide and figure out what scents I wanted, because there's like so many options, and I get overwhelmed with too many options because I want different things, and it's hard to know what each scent is like, because it's not like I'm in a store where I can kind of like open it and smell it and test it. I usually Google scents online and read a lot of reviews, what people think about the scent, if people liked it, if people didn't like it. And they had good reviews. I also got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap in Geranium, because I think a lot of people said Geranium smells like rose. And I absolutely love the rose scent in like perfumes. I love floral scents. So I decided to get the dish soap in Geranium scent. All right, and then this is also another free item. So this item was free as well. I decided to get the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in Geranium as well, because again, I love floral, rose scents, and people said that Geranium smells like roses. I don't know. So I got this in Geranium because I want my house to smell like a bouquet of roses. Like, who doesn't want their house to smell like a bouquet of roses? Like, everybody should. This is a little cocktail I made for myself using passion fruit juice and Vincentian overproof rum. I know normally in my videos I have like wine, but it's in the middle of the day. I didn't really feel like opening a whole bottle of wine for this video. I wasn't in the mood to drink wine, so I'm like, you know what, let me make myself a cute little cocktail. And I have some strawberries in it, some frozen strawberries, and I got this glass. I went to, there's like a natural hair care brand called Curls, and I went to their event, and I love when like events give swag that is useful instead of like crap that you take home and you never use it, it expires. And I love these little champagne glasses. It's so cute. It's so cute. So yeah, that was pretty much my Grove haul. Can't wait to test out some of these items. Again, let me just show you guys the items that I got for free. This is a multi-surface spray. This is hand soap. I got this dish soap. I got these really cute sponges. I also got this orange and rosemary glass cleaner. It's a concentrate. Oh no, that's not for free. I also received this beautiful gray Caddy, this mattified gray Caddy, but they had a couple other color options. Oh, this is really cute. I also got this from Grove, which is adorable. They said I'm supposed to get like a guide. I guess this is just a mini insert. So there's a little information about, I guess, like the founder of Grove and stuff. Super cute. And yeah, this is not something that's sponsored. I just like to have cleaning products at like available at ease, and the promotion offered such great items for free. It's like hard not to buy from them, and all their products are supposed to be like non-toxic and kind of like their whole mission is being good for the environment. So I hope this video was helpful to anybody that's been considering Grove, thinking about it, seeing all those advertisements, and you're just like, what? What's this about? So, you know, yeah, the free items are pretty awesome. And look at this bottle. This is so cute. Like, this is awesome. Yeah, because they sell a bunch of different concentrated stuff. Like, I have the glass cleaner concentrate. I have the tub and tile cleaner in a concentrated form. So I would need a bottle anyway to use these items because you have to mix it with water, which is pretty awesome. Also saving on like these big plastic bottles if we keep rebuying, whether it's like Windex and stuff. So it's kind of nice to have this like glass that I can use over and over again. I mean, it sucks because I only have one bottle, and it's like I have a glass cleaner and a tile cleaner, and it's like once I fill the bottle with the solution and water, I'm gonna kind of have to just use it or pour it out into like a temporary container and go back and forth, which can be a little bit messy. So I don't know, maybe I'll consider getting another glass bottle. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will provide a link to Grove so that you guys can also check out their website and enjoy their goodies. This is not, again, it's not sponsored. They didn't ask me to post this video. Yeah, I just like reviewing it because I feel like when I was ordering from Grove, I didn't know much about it. And I looked to YouTube to see what reviews were, what people thought about the company, the products, and yeah, I'm actually happy that I purchased with them, and I really like using their products. So yeah, I hope you check them out, and you know, let me know, ask me any questions. I love feedback. Tell me if you tried them before, what you thought. And their customer service is also amazing. Like whenever I have an issue, they have no problem giving me like a credit for my next purchase. Like I sent an email about an issue that I had with the promotion, and I guess the customer service rep didn't get back to me for like a while, and I kind of followed up like, hey, what's going on? And yeah, representative was nice enough to give me $15 in credit because of like the issue, which is pretty nice of them. So yeah, the customer service is awesome. They're like really attentive, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you maybe check them out, try their products, let me know what you think. Bye.